It's a story that Bengal has witnessed several times since Mamata Banerjee took her place in the writers' building. This time, a poor farmer, the sole breadwinner for his family, has been jailed for having questioned his chief minister in a public meeting. Shiladitya Chaudhary has been slapped with 5 charges, some of them non-bailable. The question that remains is, why did the arrest come 48 hours after the alleged crime?
She weeps inconsolably. Her husband, a farmer from West Midnapur, is behind bars, paying the price for speaking his mind at a public meeting in Bel Pahari attended by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. His crime? Daring to question the Chief Minister on fertilizer pricing, to encouraging cheers by other farmers who had assembled there. Mamata labelled him a Maoist on the spot.
যা বলেছি সেটা তো স্বীকার করছি দিদির উপরে তো ক্ষোভ নেই আমার কারোর উপরে ক্ষোভ নেই আমার চাই মনে তো কাজ করছি আমরা চাইছি আমার জন্য কর্ম ঠিক করে আমি একটা কর্ম চাই
Shiladitya was arrested 48 hours later.
এমন নাতি নাতিনারা খাবে এমন তাদের লেখাপড়া কি করে হয় সেটুকু একমাত্র রোজগার করতেন হ্যাঁ জমি তো নাই জমিটা এক বিঘা
In the village, his family is unable to make sense of why he was arrested in the first place.
ওকে বলবো এই কথাই খালি যে আমার ছেলে কোনো অন্যায় করেনি খেটে খায় আপনারা কেনে ধরে নিয়ে গেলেন কি দোষ করেছে তে
This is a condition at Shiladitya Chaudhary's house here in Nayagram in Binpur police station area in West Midnapur. Here everybody is crying for Shiladitya Chaudhary and they believe, both the wife and the mother of Shiladitya Chaudhary, they believe that Shiladitya Chaudhary did not do anything wrong, and they appeal to the Chief Minister that do proper investigation and release him as soon as possible.
But Bengal is no stranger to this perceived authoritarianism. Professor Ambikesh Mahapatra is no stranger to Mamata Banerjee's will. He appeals now for Shiladitya, whose case far from the city has attracted lesser attention.
I request all the intellectuals, all the writers, all the artists and people of political parties to raise their voice unitedly against this unlawful arrest.
The opposition in the state is up in arms.
Police authority who failed to arrest the rapists, the dacoits, the killers, the murderers, and they just were entire machinery was geared up to arrest that fellow.
With even its ally demanding the government back off.
He is having some paranoia. And then they are not in a position to get their act together. And that is why this type of an approach and response is coming from the state government.
Off the record, TMC leaders are claiming that Chief Minister's office has nothing to do with this arrest. The police, on the other hand, say that they had to arrest Shiladitya because he had trespassed in the high security zone in Mamata's rally. But the pictures don't prove that. And moreover, the police has no answer why they took 2 days to arrest Shiladitya when they had detained him on the spot. With camera person Suraj Pandey, this is Shomit reporting from West Midnapur for Times Now.